Kev is a little concerned as to how come his cage is half hanging out of where it used to be. Because I'm trying to clean it, but he's not having any of it. He just wants to go back in. And he's concerned as to how come he's outside the cage, but yet he's standing on what used to be the inside of the cage. All I'm trying to do is tidy up quickly so that I can get it back to normal, and he's just not having any of it. No, you can't do that. You can't open it that way. I've locked it. I think he's actually figured out how to open the cage from the outside. If I hadn't unlocked it, he'd have probably got it open by now. Let me see if he will. Let's see if he can do it. Come on, you can pull it. Okay, I believe you can do it, even though it's going to drive me nuts, knowing that you can. You're kind of giving up on that idea. Yeah, play with it. I love how he plays with the zip ties that are actually used to hold the cages together. He's so inventive. I love how they've actually arranged their nest as well. It's like so many zip ties that are like just crossing each other. Hey, you got a good one there, haven't you? That funny side one that you have. It's not his favourite one, to be honest. He keeps getting it.